Welcome to TMI Truck and Equipment. What we have today is a MACK MD7 33,000 pound capacity 24-foot reefer. This truck is equipped with a 280 horsepower Cummins engine with 660 pounds of torque, the Allison 6-speed automatic transmission. The body is a Morgan 24-foot reefer, 102 wide, 97 inches tall. It has the pull-out bust-in 3-step with a side door, 36 inches wide. The body has 2 rows of E-track on the inside, along with 12-inch aluminum scuff liner to protect the side of the body. The liftgate is the Dhollandia 3,300 pound capacity aluminum wedge gate. This is 80 inches deep and 85 inches wide, so there's plenty of room to put 2 pallets on there. You have a movable wall to separate your dry from your cold product. The suspension on the rear is a 21,000 pound air ride system, so it will give a better ride and less damage to your cargo. This is the MACK MD product made in Salem, Virginia. It is equipped with a 5-year, 250,000 mile engine and emission system warranty from Cummins that can be done at any Cummins facility. The reefer unit is not installed at this time, but it's set up for a self-contained unit. Reefers are available in 2 to 3 weeks. This truck is in stock in Chesapeake, Virginia. Please give us a call and we can provide you with a full quote showing all the benefits of the MACK MD product.